So dear students, our next preposition is upon. Upon is more formal than on and on to. So let's understand the uses of upon. The very first use of upon is that when someone does immediately some work after doing something or after something happens. Clear? Understand it. There are two actions. One action has been done immediately after doing some. Clear? So let's understand this use by solving these sentences. In the first sentence you can see Sangeeta got married immediately. One action is here. Sangeeta got married immediately upon passing out the college. There are two actions. After passing out the college, she immediately got married. Clear? So that's why in this case we will use what? Preposition upon will be correct here. If you will write here on, that will be incorrect. Upon is more formal than on. Clear? Second sentence. She rushed towards her mother upon declaring of her result. Clear? She rushed towards her mother upon declaring of her result. First she knew about her result. After that she rushed towards her mother. In this case you will use upon. Clear? You can see what happens here, what things happens here. In this case you will use preposition upon, not on. Second use, most important, if an event is going to be happen very soon. Clear? So let's understand this use through sentences. Raksha Bandhan is almost upon us. Clear? Upon us. It means that you know very well Raksha Bandhan is very near. So in this case we can use preposition upon, not on. On will be incorrect here. Clear? Raksha Bandhan is almost very near. It means that. Clear? Not showing the rest, not showing the moment, only showing about the festival, when it will come. Clear? Next one is our exam will soon be upon us. Will soon be upon us. Clear? In August you know very well half yearly exam will be there. That's why exams will soon be upon us. Very near. Clear? Next one is, dear students, in rule number 3 you can see some words are here. Depend, congratulate, experience, happen and insist. With all these words, upon, preposition upon will be used. You can use on also, but upon is more formal than on. Upon is more formal than on. Clear? You will use upon. You can use also, right? Sentence will not be incorrect. You can use it also, but this one is more correct than this. Understand? So let's understand it. My whole future depends upon your decision. Upon your decision. You can write here on also, but upon is more formal. Clear? So you will give preference first upon to upon. Understand? Next one is, they congratulated him upon his success. Upon his success. Clear? So dear student, these are the uses of on to and upon, and you can understand by doing these sentences the difference between on and on to and upon. I hope you all have understood. After that, if you have any query, you can call me. Thank you. Have a good day.